Welcome to How to Music Tech. This is part 37 in this series. How to set the decay length of an instrument. Select the instrument you want to edit. Press and hold the Shift key and then press the octave up button to get to the menu. Use the tempo value knob until you get to this bit, which is for decay. Press the C# button to enter and then use the tempo and value knob to adjust the decay length of the instrument. You can change to a different instrument as well. When you're finished, press the exit button to go back to the previous screen. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure you give the video a like and subscribe for more content on this unit and others to come. And if you'd really like to help support the channel, why not decide to become a member? Thanks again. Bye.